Shocking case studies. Cathay Pacific. Cathay Pacific is a Chinese international airliner with its head offices and main hub located in Hong Kong's International Airport. Objective: the airliner was looking to promote its new Hong Kong-Chicago flight route with an effective advertising strategy. The company turned to LinkedIn to devise their advertising campaign. They targeted members of relevant groups such as the China networking group with sponsored polls, display ads, and recommendation ads. Results? The campaign received 1,300 poll responses and generated over 100 recommendations, with most of them supplying contact details that allowed Cathay to directly follow up with these leads. Adobe. Adobe is a popular brand of digital marketing solutions that allow people to create groundbreaking digital content. Objective: the company wanted to raise further awareness about its digital marketing solutions. Strategy: the company decided to use a LinkedIn advertising platform to target U.S.-based decision makers with sponsored content and links to relevant thought leadership content. Results: the company gained great insights about its position as market leaders through this exposure, with poll results indicating that 50% of respondents agreed that Adobe is shaping the future of digital marketing. HubSpot. HubSpot is a leading digital marketing software provider that provides users the right tools to grow web traffic, generate leads, and convert leads into paying customers. Objective: HubSpot's objective was to establish an advertising venue where they could target marketing professionals who would respond well to its offers of free marketing material. Strategy: the company developed highly targeted self-service LinkedIn ad campaigns for different audiences to offer free educational materials to prospects in order to capture lead information. Results: the company achieved click-through rates from 1 to 3%, which are 60% higher than what they could have achieved on other social platforms, as well as higher quality leads and conversions. VistaView. VistaView is a business management software company that targets clients in the oilfield industry. Objective: the company's objective was to separate itself from the competition by demonstrating its industry focus and value propositions. Strategy: the company launched LinkedIn display ads to target the oilfield industry niche audience with thought-provoking and content-driven advert campaigns. Results: the company generated almost 5 times more leads with LinkedIn display ads than with any other display advertising campaigns, with a 75% reduced cost per lead and an overall 23.8% conversion rate. Aspect is a software solutions provider for companies that need to deliver seamless customer experiences across any type of communication channel. Objective: the company's objective was to attract a new audience to its content, as well as to raise awareness of the company's solutions among the right audience by way of driving traffic to its blog and website. Strategy: the company launched LinkedIn-sponsored content ads to promote white papers, webinars, and infographics while targeting key job titles such as IT managers. Results: the company gained a 322% increase in LinkedIn engagement, a 290% increase in referral traffic to its blog, and a cool 17% increase in company page followers. Clever Zebo. Clever Zebo is a marketing agency that aims to offer small and medium-sized businesses the opportunity to build and execute world-class online marketing strategies. Objective: the company's objective was to reach a small but highly influential audience in a professional environment and to generate high-quality leads at scale. Strategy: Clever Zebo launched self-service LinkedIn ad campaigns to target this audience by job functions, seniority levels, and company sizes. Results: by continually testing its ads, the agency achieved an improved click-through rate of 0.33%, 2.3 million impressions, and a 15% conversion rate. CA Technologies. CA Technologies is an enterprise software solutions company that offers businesses software-centric services that can help them to reshape their operational structure. Objective: the company's objective was to generate high-quality leads among decision-makers in the technology industry and to boost conversion rates. Strategy: CA Technologies opted to drive content downloads using dynamic ads personalized with profile pictures of LinkedIn members. Results: the company's dynamic ad campaign generated a cool 11.3% conversion rate at a cost per lead that was 68% less than on any other network. IR. IR is a management software solutions provider that services large multinational businesses as well as organizations in need of improved payment hubs and unified communication ecosystems. Objective. The company's objective was to yield real results from every dollar spent on advertising, and they needed to find a better qualified audience than they were able to reach on common social channels. Strategy. The IR team made use of sponsored content ads as well as mobile-friendly landing pages and lead generation forms that kept their leads on LinkedIn. Results? The company's conversion rates nearly doubled thanks to sponsored content ads, and it was able to reduce its cost per lead by 44%. CBRE. CBRE is a commercial real estate firm that services investors, owners, and occupants by helping them to solve their most challenging real estate obstacles. Objective. The company's objective was to deliver personalized content to active B2B audiences, as well as to increase entries for its annual Urban Photographer of the Year contest, in order to improve its exposure and brand awareness. Strategy. The company created sponsored in-mail campaigns to reach only active LinkedIn users. Results? The company's expectations and benchmarks were greatly exceeded when its campaigns resulted in a 54% open rate, a 28% open rate, and a 41% increase in contest entries in relation to the past year. General Electric. The General Electric Company is one of the world's largest and most recognizable brands, one that operates across a broad range of business-to-business and business-to-consumer areas. Objective. The company's objective was to enhance its reputation and thought leadership in the electric and healthcare industries in select regions around the world. Strategy. The company created sponsored in-mail campaigns, sponsored content campaigns, and targeted display ads to support key marketing initiatives and communities on LinkedIn. Results? The company gained an average of 5.75% interactions with content ads, which in turn generated over 1,300 unique content downloads, with in-mail ads generating deep engagement with policymakers and industry peers, with open rates that went up to 13%.